Is your Windows 11 PC feeling sluggish and bogged down? One of the easiest ways to breathe new life into your system is by deleting temporary files, so let's jump right into how to do it. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard, or by searching for Settings in the Start menu. In the Settings window, click on System located in the left-hand sidebar. Next, find and click on Storage in the right panel. This will take you to the Storage Management section. Windows will now calculate your storage usage. After the calculation is complete, look for and click on Temporary Files. This will show you a breakdown of the temporary files that can be removed. You'll see a list of different types of temporary files. Carefully review the list and select the categories you want to delete. Be cautious about the Downloads folder, as it might contain files you want to keep. Once you've made your selections, click on the Remove Files button at the top of the window. Windows will then begin the process of deleting the selected temporary files. The deletion process may take a few moments, depending on the amount of temporary files being removed. Once the process is complete, you should notice a decrease in your storage usage. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted temporary files in Windows 11. By regularly deleting temporary files, you can free up valuable storage space and improve your system's overall performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips.